Koalas, sleepy animals that depend on eucalyptus. In the eucalyptus forests of Australia, nestled high in the treetops, lives one of the world's most beloved and iconic animals, the koala, Phascolarctos cinereus. Known for their fluffy ears, button noses, and relaxed, sleepy demeanor, koalas capture hearts with their cuddly appearance. But beneath that adorable exterior lies a fascinating story of survival, adaptation, and an extraordinary dependence on a single type of tree, the eucalyptus. Not a bear, but a marsupial. Despite being called koala bears, koalas aren't bears at all. They are marsupials, meaning they carry and raise their young in a pouch, just like kangaroos. Baby koalas, called joeys, are born tiny, blind, and hairless. After birth, the joey crawls into its mother's pouch, where it stays safe and warm for about 6 months. The eucalyptus connection koalas have a diet that's both unique and challenging. They eat almost nothing but eucalyptus leaves. While there are over 600 species of eucalyptus trees, koalas are picky and prefer only about 30 species that meet their nutritional needs. Eucalyptus leaves are tough, fibrous, and even toxic to most animals. But koalas have a specialized digestive system, including a long cecum, to break down the tough fibers and neutralize the toxins. Despite this adaptation, eucalyptus isn't very nutritious, which leads to one of the koala's most famous traits, sleeping a lot. Why koalas sleep so much? Koalas spend up to 18 to 20 hours a day sleeping. Why? Because eucalyptus leaves are low in calories and energy, so koalas conserve energy by resting as much as possible. Their slow metabolism helps them survive on such a poor diet. When they're awake, koalas move slowly and deliberately, climbing trees and reaching for fresh leaves. Their strong, sharp claws and opposable thumbs help them grip branches securely. Life in the treetops, koalas are mostly solitary animals, each with its own home range marked by scent. They rarely come down from the trees unless they're searching for a new territory, water, or during the mating season. Communication is surprising for such sleepy creatures. Male koalas make deep, bellowing calls that sound much louder and scarier than you'd expect, especially during the breeding season. These calls help them attract mates and warn off rivals. Challenges facing koalas. Koalas face serious threats in the wild. Habitat loss. As forests are cleared for agriculture and urban development, koalas lose their homes and food sources. Climate change. Extreme heat waves and droughts make it harder for koalas to find water, leading to dehydration and heat stress. Diseases. Koalas are vulnerable to diseases like chlamydia, which can cause blindness and infertility. Bushfires. Devastating wildfires, like those during Australia's 2019 to 2020 fire season, have destroyed large areas of koala habitat. How we can help conservation efforts are crucial for koalas' survival. Protecting eucalyptus forests, creating wildlife corridors, and supporting rehabilitation centers for injured koalas can make a big difference. In some areas, people have even installed special water stations to help koalas during heat waves. Final thoughts. The koala may be known for its sleepy, laid-back lifestyle, but its story is one of incredible adaptation and resilience. As a symbol of Australia's unique wildlife, the koala reminds us of the delicate balance of nature and the importance of protecting the environments that these amazing creatures call home.